Hello, what if you could get paid every time someone plays a video? And how about $5 to $10 PayPal cash every time someone clicks the play button? Amazing, right? That's exactly what this powerful software I'm about to reveal to you does. Play2Profit. Play2Profit is an amazing app that taps into a new $147 billion monetization technology that pays us every time someone plays a video. All thanks to Google founders that discovered this technology. And the best part is, you don't even have to create this video yourself or sweat hard to get people to watch the video either. Our breakthrough peer-to-peer inbuilt traffic system sent thousands of real humans to watch your videos, which translate to profit for you. Awesome, right? So let me show you how this works in 3 simple steps. So I'm going to log into my account now, enter the username and the password, and click the login button. Okay, so I'm inside Play2Profit, and here is the dashboard. As you can see, on the dashboard we have the dashboard menu, we have the get credits, we have the promotions, we have the training videos, and we have where we can access our account settings. So I'm going to start with the dashboard. As you can see, on the dashboard we have the credits. Now credits are what you use to get visitors, real human traffic to your videos. And don't get it twisted, this credits you get is free of charge. As you already know, Play2Profit is built inside a peer-to-peer traffic system, so you don't have to spend a dime on traffic. So I'm going to explain how this process works to you. Now, once you create your account with Play2Profit, the very first thing you need to do is to get credits, because at that time your credit will be 0. So how do you get credits? To get credits on Play2Profit is very simple. All you have to do is just to go to Get Credit menu, and you'll be taken to this page. And as you can see, for you to get credit, you have to play the videos here. So you have to play other people's videos in order to get credits that you're going to use to create your own promotion, so that other people can also play your videos. And the more people play your videos, the more money you make. So if you want to get credits, all you have to do is just to click on the play video button on any of the videos that you see on the get credit page, and you can play as many videos as possible. So here I'm just going to click on the play button, and I have to ensure that I play this video for a minimum of 20 seconds before I can get the credits. So as you can see, the owner of this video monetizes this video with his ads, and he gets paid anytime you watch this video as well. So this is how our video page looks like. So once I'm done watching it, for minimum of 20 seconds, if I go back to my dashboard, you notice my credit have increased to 206 credits. So this is how you get credits. Some people pay you 5 credits per play, some pay you 10 credits per play. So all you have to do is just to keep playing those videos to get credit in order to be able to also run your own promotion. So once you have enough credit, as you can see, I have 206 credits here. I'll head over to promotion and click on create new. As you can see, this is the promotion page. So the very first thing we need to do is to create our video and also monetize our video, so that anytime someone plays a video, we get paid. So I'm going to give my campaign a name. Now your video campaign can be on any topic. So now your video campaign can be on any topic or any niche. All you have to do is just to decide on what you really want to create a video on. So here I'm just going to focus on e-commerce. I'm going to say something like $80,000 from drop shipping. So yeah, I can type something like how to make $30,000 from drop shipping without warehousing your products. Okay, so That's the campaign description. You can add as long as many text as possible. So once we are done with that, the next thing is to add a video. So you actually need to add a video that you want people to play. And all thanks to this amazing platform, you don't even have to create your own video yourself. Of course, we have the option where you can upload your own video, but here you can search video online. So in just one click, you have access to millions of videos that you can search for. So here I'm just going to type dropshipping, make money. What? Drop shipping. Can you see that? And then I'll hit the search button, and in one click I'll have access to thousands of dropshipping videos that I can just pick. So here I can just select this and just go with it. So you select the video. As you can see, the video has been selected. The next thing is to add a thumbnail to your video. The thumbnail is to make your video catchy so that people tend to click on it. So you can either search for your thumbnail on Pixabay or you upload your own image. So here I'm going to click on search Pixabay and enter e-commerce or anything, or make money, or whatever image you want to search for. So I'm going to click on the search button, and then as you can see, I can just pick any of the image that I feel like using. So you can decide to use this. Select the image. So you can see image has been selected. So the next step is to choose video monetization option, because now we've created our video, we need to actually monetize the video. So I'm going to come to select monetization method and select AdSense for video ads or AdSense for banner ads. These options allow you to actually add video ads to your video. So anytime someone click on the play button, the video ads play first. And once the video ads play first, you get paid anytime someone play that kind of video. So here I'm going to just paste my ad code here. And aside that, there are other options. You can add image ads, button ads, buy button, which you can use to promote other type of affiliate product, CPA offers, and all that. So here I'm just going to paste the code here. Copy this, paste my code here, and then click on the save video action. So as you can see, the video action has been added. You can delete it here. You can add more. You can monetize one video in various ways. So here I'm just going to click on the publish campaign. So once you click on the publish campaign, it takes you to the step 2, which is where you are now actually run adverts to your video. This is where you now actually set up your promotion to get real human to play your video in order for you to get paid. So here I'm going to give my promotion title. So here I can just say 30K per month drop shipping. So you can see your video URL is here. You can as well just copy this link to see how your video page looks like. Can you see? So this is our video page, and this is what your visitors will see. And once they click on the button, can you see advert is displayed? And you see, once they watch the first few minutes, you get paid. So if they skip the ads and keep watching the video, you get paid anytime they click the play button just by watching the ads. Can you see that? So now we create our promotion. So expected click, this is the number of visitors you want to get to your video, the number of people you want to get to your video so they can play your videos and you get paid. You can see that this is super easy. You're not selling anything, you're not driving traffic, you're not spending money on ads. It's all free thanks to this powerful system. So here I'm just going to type in, let's say 100, which is I want 100 visitors. Then the credit per click, that is, this is the amount of credit you want to spend anytime someone click the play button. The minimum you can put here is 1. So you can decide to pay higher, because the higher you pay, the more other people in the system will be interested to actually play your own videos over others. So here I'm just going to put 1. Can you see that? So now the publication status, this is where you decide either you want to publish it right away or you want to keep it in draft. So I'll select publish, and then you need to add image. So here you select the image. This image appear on your ad so that people see the image anytime they want to play your video as well. Okay, so I'm going to select the image here and click on open. You see that? Once I'm done, then you click the submit button. Can you see your promotion added successfully? And in one click, our promotion has been created. You can see the number of clicks we are expecting, the credits we are willing to pay per click, and the total number of clicks that we've received so far. Can you see that? And the status is showing running, publication is showing publish as well. So that's how to do this in just 2 simple steps. You get credit, you create video and run your promotion, and you get paid. That's all. Play2Profit is a powerful system. So if I click on the dashboard now, okay, you're seeing we've used 100 credits out of our credits. So that's exactly how Play2Profit works. Thank you for watching. Bye.